Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the icon itself. Use the selection tool and click it. Once selected, open the swatches panel and pick or create the color you intend to use. If the icon is a placed file, like an SVG or PDF, make sure to embed or convert it to editable vector paths first, because InDesign cannot recolor rasterized or non-embedded vectors reliably. This sets up the only reliable method to change the icon color. Once the icon is editable vector paths, select the specific path groups or subpaths you want colored and apply your chosen swatch to the fill. Make sure you are editing fill, not stroke, unless you intend to change strokes. Switch panels accordingly. If the graphic was grouped, use ungroup or enter isolation mode to reach internal shapes. Use effects or transparency for blend modes when you need visual tweaks. But remember, color change must be applied to vector fills to persist correctly. To finish, regroup your icon components and export or save so the color change is retained. PDF or IDML exports preserve vector fills best. If the color did not update, inspect for clipping masks, nested place links, or rasterized elements that prevent recoloring. Make sure linked files are embedded or replaced with editable vectors. This single action resolves most problems. If you still see no change, redraw small problem shapes as native InDesign paths and apply the swatch directly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.